Avoiding common startup mistakes, a guide for founders. Starting a business is exciting, but let's be real. It's also a minefield of mistakes. Today, we're breaking down 3 big mistakes almost every startup founder makes, and more importantly, how you can avoid them. Let's save your sanity and your wallet. Mistake number 1, trying to do it all yourself. You're wearing 10 hats: founder, marketer, accountant, IT support, and it's exhausting. Here's the deal. Scaling isn't about doing more. It's about doing less, better. Solution? Delegate and automate. Hire freelancers. Use tools like Zapier or outsource tasks you're not great at. Focus your energy on what only you can do, like growing the business. Mistake number 2, focusing on growth before stability. Sure, rapid growth sounds sexy, but if your foundation isn't solid, that growth can crush you. Solution? Build processes that scale. Start with the basics: a solid product, a clear target audience, and operations that won't implode if demand doubles overnight. Mistake number 3, waiting for perfection. Whether it's a product launch or a pitch deck, founders often wait too long trying to make everything perfect. Newsflash: perfection doesn't exist. Solution? Launch, learn, and iterate. Put your product out there, gather feedback, and improve as you go. Progress beats perfection every single time. So there you have it. 3 mistakes to avoid and the strategies to dodge them like a pro. Remember, being a startup founder isn't about avoiding failure. It's about learning fast and adapting faster. And here's a final smart piece of advice. Always listen to the market. Take Kodak as an example, a company that invented the digital camera but ignored it, thinking their traditional film business was untouchable. They failed to adapt, and the rest is history. Don't let that happen to you. Stay flexible, listen to feedback, and be ready to pivot if necessary. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more startup wisdom, and tell us in the comments, what's the biggest lesson you've learned as a founder? Let's grow smarter, together.